the stars have aligned. You feeling some type of way? You know, we always got you. Alas, we've reached the end of the zodiac, and our little stubborn Capricorn cuties are closing it out with a bright look into the future. We know you've been waiting impatiently, considering patience isn't one of your virtues. So let's get this party started. This year is the right time to express your true affections for your partner. There will be a new freshness in your relationship, and you know what that means. Pegging. Or, you know what? Fuck pegging. Pegging is so 2019. Let's just fucking stay celibate. Fuck sex. No. Just kidding. Let's try pony play. Look it up. Single Capricorns can look forward to love at every corner. You may not find your soulmate, but you'll definitely feel the romance. Like, you'll be fucking, but like, you're not gonna find your soulmate. I know you have a cold front, but deep down, you're emotional little bitches. So let it show. Loosen up. Let people get to know the real you. Cry a little bit, but not to me. The first few months of 2020 will be challenging, to say the least, for Capricorns. You'll have to work a little harder, sweetheart, but don't worry. Regardless, your cash flow will be steady and continuous because you're a bad bitch and you always make money no matter fucking what. Although your relationships outside of love will be strong and cordial, you need to be careful for the negative influence that might come from your loved ones. Because you know what? They can be dicks too. Famous Capri Suns include Jim Carrey as the Grinch, Denzel Washington, because he's hot. Denzel Washington's hot, right? Bradley Cooper, Lil Jon, yeah! Dolly Parton, she's got big boobs and also a great voice. Oh yeah, and Jesus. Well folks, that's it for horoscopes and for me, because I'm the devil! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember, you're the devil. So don't let anybody fuck with you. Not a Capri Sun? Wanna know what the stars have in store for you? Too damn bad. I'm fucking tired of this shit.